Good day! It's Sunday and it's very hot in the Philippines. So, we decided to have dinner at SM North EDSA and eat at Ramen Nagi. So come join us, let's eat! Of course, let's take a picture first so we have memories of eating here. Ito na po pala yung in-order naming ramen. Lucky Ramen. This is Butaw Ramen. Correct me if I'm wrong po sa pronunciation po sa mga ramen na yan. We ate here because this is what Ishwar requested for us to eat. We are happy because he has a health condition, but he is not a picky eater. For those who don't know, he has ADHD and autism. But for Ishwar, that's just a health condition. I'm hungry, so I'll eat. We give him a reward because earlier he helped change our pillowcases and bed covers. That was one of our training sessions with him, and that is now his assigned task. Ishwar enjoys eating ramen. He has a great appetite. Let's see later if he can finish his ramen. While we were eating, Ishwar kept drinking water. I avoided it because I get fully easily. I might not finish my ramen soup. Kain po tayo. Tara po, samahan niyo po kami sa mukbang namin dalawa ni Ishwar. Ang sarap talaga ng ramen nila. Super.
Pasel, Julia mo. Pasel, I'm Pasel.
Fight mo kayo.
Pasel.
This ramen is delicious. I recommend it. Try it too. The squid ink gives it a unique flavor, but the flavor is a combination of toasted garlic and the thick tonkotsu pork broth. Because of the ink, the broth becomes very dark and thick. Although it is made from squid ink, it is not fishy. The flavor is a mix of sweetness, saltiness, and a little tanginess.
Bibi, hinalo mo.
Haluin natin para mahalo lahat ng mga ingredients na inilagay sa ramen natin. Marami na po kaming natikman na iba't ibang ramen sa iba't ibang restaurant, mall. Pero sa Ramen Nagi, ang pinaka nagustuhan kong ramen. Pero sabi nila, masarap daw yung ramen sa Japan, yung sa Ichiran. I hope someday makapunta tayo sa Japan para matikman natin yung masarap na ramen nila doon. Talagang pupuntahan ko yung talagang famous na ramen restaurant nila doon sa may Ichiran.
Wait natin.
Pasel.
Quiet na.
Ayun. Bibi, ah. Ayun yung noodles mo. Ano yung noodles mo? Yan noodles na kunin mo yun. Ulam din.
Magra-rice ka pa.
Mon was planning to order rice but it's already heavy on the stomach. Why we Filipinos are incomplete without rice? They say rice is life. It's a good thing he didn't eat any more rice because he said he was full. Buti na lang, baka masayang. Ang mahal pa naman ng bigas ngayon at ng gas. What's that, Mon? Okay na? Solve? Wow, very good naman yang si Ishwar namin. Nakapokus ng kumain at hindi nagdadaldal. Iniiwasan niyang magsalita kapag puno ng pagkain ng kanyang bibig.
Ito sa akin.
Ang dami ko pang noodles, kaso kailangan ko tong ubusin dahil sayang naman ang mahal nito eh.
Yan na.
Siya pa, ubus na. Ubus na si Ishwar sa akin. Ang dami pa, oh. Hindi ko na kaya kainin. Nakakabusog.
Naunahan ka pa ni Easy Boy, may butas ata yung ano niya eh. Ball eh.
What will you say? Marap like is good. Huwag magalit.
Ang sarap daw mga ka-Ishwarap, sabi ni Ishwar.
Chicken, easy.
Ubus na ni Ishwar, oh. Ito sa akin. Ito naman yung kay Mon. What will you say?
Iswarap ng ramen nagi.
We finished eating and the mall was about to close. So, we decided to take a walk to digest our food. And it was almost 10 o'clock p.m. SM is almost closed, but you can still see a lot of people walking. It's really different because here it's open to the rich and the poor. And of course, everything you need to find is here. Kumbaga, wala ka nang hahanapin pa, nandito na lahat ng kailangan mo. Papunta na po kami ng car park. We are going home. Thank you, Lord. Ishwarap. Life is good.